In this tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to do task 10. Some of you have done in the classroom and some of you haven't done it. So, I'm going to explain task 10 instruction step by step. Okay, I have typed the data as it is given to you on your handout. Now, material would cost, fitting cost, I have used wrap text, I have reduced the column size, I have made the headings bold and so on. And now here on when under wood cost 2175, you will see on your handout 21.00, 7.00, 5.00. Those are decimal numbers. If you want to have the decimal points, highlight the data and you click on this, increase the decimal points. Okay. And same thing with the cost per hour as well. If you want to have extra decimal points, you can increase this. If you want to decrease it, you can click on this. If you want to increase it, you can click on this. Okay. Now, that's what it is. Now, calculate total. How to calculate total? Number 3. I'm reading the instruction number 3. Enter a formula to calculate the total for oak. This will be hours to make multiplied by cost per hour plus wood cost plus fitting cost. Students, I'm reading the instructions. No magic. Read the instructions and follow it carefully. I've typed equal symbol and then I'll open a bracket, shift 9, open the bracket. Hours to make is D2. If I just click on that, it will come up. D2 multiplied by shift 8, cost per hour. This is cost per hour. Close the bracket. BODMAS rule. If you remember from your class, school time, BODMAS rule. Plus, I'll type plus wood cost, that is wood cost. If I click on that, B2 will come up, plus fitting cost, that gives me the answer. That's hours to make multiplied by cost per hour plus wood cost plus fitting cost. Good. Now I press enter, I will get the answer. Okay, 62 is the right answer. I'll explain one more time. My formula always begins with equal symbol. Open the bracket as it is given in your formula. Number 3, instruction number 3, hours to make. Now 2.5, if I click on that, D3 will come up and multiplied by shift 8, cost per hour is 12, and close the wood cost plus I'll type plus wood cost, that is 7, and then plus fitting cost, that is £15. If I click on that, that's answer C3. Then press enter, answer is there. So now I'm just going to replicate it from the corner. I'm just going to replicate the formula, so answers will be calculated. Number 4 is completed. Number 5, print a copy of your spreadsheet. If you want, you can do it. 6, copy the whole spreadsheet onto a new sheet. All I do is I'll highlight everything, whatever I wanted. I'll click on the word copy, and then I'll move on to next sheet, which I'll open it, and then I'll just click on paste. Good. Now, number 7. A new supplier can provide the birch wood for 850, which I have changed from 850 to 950, from 9 to 850, and teak wood is changed to 950 as well. And as soon as you do the changes, I will see the result. I will see the total changing. Now I need to calculate the price. Number 9. A 40% of profit is needed to ensure that unit is worth making. Insert a formula to calculate the price. A 40% of the profit is... You can see my son is on the background. I'm sorry for that. Number 9. A 40% profit is needed to ensure that unit is worth making. 40% of profit. You need to calculate 40% of 62. 40% of 62, I need to calculate 40% of 62 plus. So how do I do that? I'm just going to type 40% multiplied by 62. 62 is my F2. Plus F2, because I need to sell the product making a profit of 40%. Understand it carefully. right? That gives me the answer. Once again, one more time, I'm going to explain. I have to calculate 40% of 52, 52, that is sorry. There you go. See, I also make a mistake, so no problem, students. If you make a mistake, just delete it. Just delete it. Just delete it, and then you can type it again. Delete that part. I don't want that. Right, now I'm going to do it again. Equal 40% of 52. 40% of 52. Where am I going to mark? Should I write the formulas? Yes. Equals 40% of 52, that is F3 plus F3. When I press enter, the formula type, yeah, that's right, because I did not type star in between. Yes, right, okay, that's fine, and that's why I got the answer. Now 72.8, and from there I'm just going to replicate the formula. There you go. I got the answer. See, students, this is simple. If you want to show the formula, you click on the formulas, show formulas. There you go. If you don't want to show the formula, take the formulas off. Save your work. Make sure you guys save your work as task 10 and send it to me as attachment for marking if you haven't submitted in your classroom. Right, this is all from me for now, and I'm on an Easter break. I will contact you not next week, the week after. We'll be starting with assessment. Till then, take care. Bye bye.